Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a good decentralized exchange? Then stick around for this video because we will be talking about ApeX.Exchange. In this video, we will talk about all the points, all the tokenomics, all the advantages of this exchange. So this video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and let's dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on the platform, ApeX or ApeX.Exchange. Well, it's a multi-chain, permissionless trading engineered for high-performing precision trades in the decentralized derivative market. And here you can just find trade now, click on it, and you will be redirected to a very familiar scene for traders. Over here you can just connect your wallet and you're good to go. And of course you can select what kind of chain or what kind of contract you want, BNB, Ethereum, Polygon, or whatsoever. And here you will find a lot of pairs to trade from, perpetual swaps and more. So it's quite classic. There is no fussing around. You can just dive deep into it with relative ease. And here let's just talk about this project and the aspects of this project before we jump into trading, which is of course the main focus of this app. It's an exchange, so you can of course predict it to offer you a trading experience, but here there are some background things and foundations you need to understand first. Well, here you can accelerate with ApeX Pro and limitless perpetual contracts access with order book model. Here you can download the app. The app of course gives you everything at your fingertips and you're good to go in few minutes, and things are quite straightforward. Here the token here will be ApeX. That's the ApeX protocol is supported by ApeX, and that's the token that grants governance right and BANA a trade to earn reward token on ApeX Pro. Of course, here as a project on the blockchain, they will have to have their own token, and you need to understand the tokenomics about that. So here, let's talk about the tokenomics and the splits and how it's distributed. Here, giving the community control over the governance and protocol parameters. The parameters here are of course governed by contributors, so that's a good thing. For you as a holder or as an investor or as an owner, you can also have a saying and a vote on what's going on. And here you will find that the 23% is allocated to core team and early investor, and 77% for participation, rewards, ecosystem buildings, and liquidity bootstrapping. So here the BANA minted with a total of 25 million ApeX locked for a minimum of 12 months, allocated based on a combination of fees, open interest, and an amount of BANA staked during a single period. So that's a good understanding for you as someone who wants to get involved to understand the difference and the tokenomics here of the system. And here you can ensure your security with zero knowledge proofs. Here you will have a peace of mind, or at least you will be rest assured that you will have the security funds in place. And ApeX Pro is permissionless trading platform that allows user to personally recover their funds at any time via forced requests. And here you can head to the view verification, you can understand it more, but let's just dive deep into the global investors they are dealing with. A lot of big names here: HG Ventures, Jump Trading, and Tiger Global. You will find a lot of big names in the market are investing and hoping for this project to even further succeed. So you can rest assured that this project will have a good future in the next phases. And let's just go and look at the Gitbook and the tokenomics of this platform. So here let's scrutinize first on the tokenomics. Here you will find that ApeX is a native token of the protocol with a maximum supply of 1 billion token, and it will serve the following utilities: governance. The token will of course offer governance for the project, and the incentivization, and users can earn ApeX token through the participation rewards and liquidity mining on ApeX protocol, and staking, of course, that's easy to understand. Ease ApeX, and that's the staking reward which can be claimed and credited back to your wallet, and you may vest the Ease ApeX you've claimed, which will be converted to ApeX after vesting period of 6 months, and you also may want to continue to stake your ApeX. That's completely up to you. So as you scroll down, you will find that ApeX here is available on the following exchanges: Bybit and Uniswap. Major exchanges. That gives you also a proof that big names are involved and big names are offering support. So for you as a participator, things can be quite exciting here and things can offer a good foundation for you. So let's go to the Gitbook and see what's going on and understand what they're on about. Here you can of course read everything in the description down below. You can just, read it in details, understand everything, absorb all the knowledge, but here you can just find almost everything. It's open to Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, and also tokens from EVM compatible chains. And here you will have the flexibility to change for blockchains. And here the account and wallet. You can just connect your wallet, how to connect your wallet and why and when, and everything is powered here by screenshots, so you can have a step-by-step how to get started and how to understand things in a very clear way. And here you will have the trading perpetual contract, the contract specs, the trading fees, the order types, open interest and leverage. Everything is just a white book in front of you, so it's kind of a very transparent approach. So everything is at your disposal here. You can of course understand it more. And again, here the tokens and allocation, how they are dealing with the ApeX token and how they are dealing with the BNB token, and 23%, 77%. So everything is summarized within this document here. So everything also is the description down below, so you can have a glimpse of what's going on and how to maneuver your way around it. So let's go back to the platform and understand even what's going on here for the world right now. Well, the crypto market is starting to move, and once the crypto market started to move, things are gonna, people are gonna pour money or pour volume into the crypto exchanges. And here that's also presenting a golden opportunity for you to start earlier on, scan the market, understand what's going on, and then use your understanding and knowledge to make a good decision, good financial decision, hopefully of course. And you also need to understand the layers of risks associated with any investment, but here you can also use it as a trading platform, and you can trade perpetual swaps, and of course you can earn or trade to earn, meaning that the more you trade, the more you earn. So you're already trading any perpetual swap you want. Here for instance BTC USD, you're trading Bitcoin, none of their business, and then with each trade you're also earning rewards and then transferring this rewards into the ApeX coin, and then even the price or the value of ApeX coin potentially can go up. So it's a win-win-win situation for everyone. So I would advise you to check the links down below, understand the concept, make a good informative decision about it, and learn more about it. Of course, digest all the information, and then you're responsible for your own decisions, of course. But here everything clicks when the market starts moving, and the price of Bitcoin, it's in a very near future was nearly touching 30k, and we're currently at 25, meaning that we have at least 5k of potential movement of Bitcoin in the bullish direction. So that's also a golden opportunity for everyone to start considering BTC as a good investment. And once you use this platform to trade, you will be winning, and also you can be rest assured because the funds, the security funds are there, and also there is not much hassle around it. So I would highly advise you to start understanding, start looking at things here. Here's the dashboard, here's the earning, and here's the return, here's the rewards. Everything is just at your fingertips, and of course there is a leaderboard, so you can look at it and you can understand it more, and you can see what kind of people are doing what and how people are progressing in the weekly percentages of their profit. So everything is out there, everything is transparent in front of you. So give it a go, understand it more, and that's it. So guys, here earning with ApeX is also quite interesting, and revenue with ApeX is quite lucrative as well, because here this platform is based on trade to earn. Trade to earn meaning that the more you trade, the more you earn rewards, and these rewards are distributed evenly every single week. So you will be trading and you will be earning BNB token, and this BNB token will be distributed weekly for you. And the program started actually in November 2022, and it's going all the way till November 2023 this year. And of course another option here for you would be just staking. Staking here is a classic way of just earning passive income through your crypto. You can just lock it out for a period of time, and then you will be earning some percentage on your investment. And there are also launching their smart liquidity pool volume 2 SLP. Everything is here listed for you to read through it and understand it more, but generally speaking here it will be a liquidity pool, and this will give you some percentage, also will help you getting more revenue on your investments over here. So it's kind of market making and making it accessible to everyone or to all participants here. So this liquidity pool will ease up things and will have some good rewards. So I would highly advise you to check it out and see what's going on. Something also I need to touch on here, which is the roadmap. Roadmap here is quite interesting and things are moving quite fast and rapidly over here. And speaking about the roadmap, here is the roadmap for the upcoming major milestones for this project. You will find that Q2 2023, that was the launch of SLP and trading bots, and the Q3 of this year will be trader DID SBT mining events, and then the interesting part will be Q4 this year will be copy trading and other social trading tools as well. So I would also invite you to have a look at the links down below in the description. Feel free to check it out, educate yourself more about it, and things will make sense here because this platform is a trade to earn. So trade to earn is an interesting concept and exciting way to even boost your revenue whenever you're trading. So I would highly invite you to have a look at everything and understand it more, digest these kind of information, and you will find that the crypto market will very soon start taking off because Bitcoin is having a big move in the next few weeks, and this will lead into the whole entire crypto market having a lot of investments in, and this will also meaning more trading, and meaning more trading with this platform meaning also more revenue. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about ApeX.Exchange and all the advantages and all the perks that come with using this platform. So check the links down below, inform yourself more, get yourself more acquainted with the whole idea, and inform yourself more about the movement in the cryptocurrency industry and the blockchain technology. So things are quite interesting now, and it will be quite interesting when the markets start pulling up again and start being bullish. So that's my humble advice for you. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and also don't forget to check the videos around there in the corner. We have a lot of content, and see you next time. Bye bye.